Hello, it's Angelo Pucci and welcome to our newest listing at 864 Chapleau Drive in the sought-after Bay Ridges neighborhood. This beautiful 3-bedroom has living room, dining room, modern kitchen, modern bathrooms, separate entrance to a partially finished basement. But to tell you more about it, we'll let Kim do the honors. Kim, are you ready?
I am.
Let's take it away.
Welcome to 864 Chapleau Drive, a renovated brick and stone semi-detached home situated within the Bay Ridges community of Pickering and just a short walk to Frenchman's Bay, Lake Ontario, and waterfront enjoyment. A covered front porch and solid wood entry door invites you into a beautifully updated main level, which showcases a functional modern kitchen with espresso-coloured cabinetry complemented with a glass and stone tiled backsplash, plenty of counter workspace including a separate servery area, California shutters on the windows, as well as fridge, stove, and dishwasher. The open concept living and dining rooms offer exceptional entertaining space filled with natural light through a bay window with a southeasterly exposure, while pot lighting and a modern chandelier add ambient brightness. Quality laminate flooring flows throughout most of this level, with ceramic floors found in the front foyer and the main 4-piece washroom, which features an updated toilet and a vanity with integrated counter and basin. Off the bedroom hallway is access to the lower level and to the back and side yards, as well as 2 closets ideal for linens or for additional pantry storage. The 3 bedrooms are all quite spacious, have California shutters on their windows and double closets, and ceiling fans are found in the 3rd and master bedrooms. This home also features interlocking front and side patios, a newly sealed driveway with ample parking, a fenced backyard with a storage shed on a concrete pad, as well as updated plumbing, electrical, air conditioning, and main level windows. A separate side door entry offers private access to the partially finished lower level that can bring additional living space to the home or the potential of an in-law suite, and features an open concept living area, a laundry room, rough-ins for a washroom and a kitchen, and a spacious bedroom with a double closet. This home has quick access to Highway 401 and is walking distance to prime amenities, including parks, public transit, the Pickering Town Centre, and the GO Station, while a short walk south takes you to Frenchman's Bay and Pickering's vibrant waterfront.